That the hearing shall commence on 24th of November 2022. It will continue on 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, and 31st of November 2022. Thereafter, the hearing will continue on 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th of December 2022. It will be followed by another hearing on mission for the parties, and my duty will be to serve, not to help. I want to make that very clear. It will be to serve and not to help any party. And that's what I've always done, and I'll continue doing. And I don't know whether you want me to interpret that further. In other words, no party should be afraid of the outcome of this election petition. The court will rely on the evidence, the pleadings, the evidence, the law, that is the constitutional provisions and the law, enabling law, and the submissions that will be brought forward to persuade the court to make a determination, not on the basis of any other influence. I want to also make it clear that this court does not have any agents. This particular judge has no agents. No agents. In the political arena, parties have got agents who sit here and there to take care of their interests. I do not have agents who take care of my interests. All of you are my clients. The petitioner or the petitioners and the respondents are all my clients. They are the people of Kenya who have given me this job to do. So I promise you that I'll serve you to the best of my ability. You don't have to fear anything. You don't have to fear anything, because in a dispute, there's always two sides of the coin, isn't it? Two sides of the coin. That means you wait for the outcome. Do not try to help the court to reach an outcome. The court has sufficient resources. Do not help me to reach an outcome. The only help I'll need from the parties is cooperation. The only help I'll require from the advocates is to give me a good case from both sides, well researched in terms of submissions. For the parties, you have already submitted your evidence, so the court will rely on that evidence, plus the authorities and the persuasions that will be received from both sides of the divide. So you do not have to be afraid of anything. You are before a court of competent jurisdiction and a court of integrity. So on that note, it is not necessary for you to try to get anybody in the name of an agent or anybody who is known to the judge. All those who are in this room can now proudly say that they know the judge who is going to handle this petition. So you all know me, isn't it? So nobody knows me, should know me beyond here. And my assurance to you is that I do not hold any private meetings with any parties or advocates.